This is a bit of a rough and ready unboxing, but this arrived this week for a new customer, and as I've never actually had the fun of unboxing one fresh, I thought I'd do a quick video on it. This is a little Sophos XG 135. This is a small firewall, but for those who have seen my little home lab video and follow me on the various social medias, know that actually I'm quite a good supporter of Sophos, and this will be the first actual unboxing I've done of one of their firewalls, or one of their new firewalls I should say, which is this one. So I've done some of the bigger ones, but this is a small business little-ish unit. As you can see, the box is not that big, but anyway, as I've not taken it out of its box yet, literally it arrived in a nice pretty bag, delivered freshly yesterday. I thought I would share this with you. So nice simple unboxing, and we have a box, and in the box there's a box that says Sophos. What's in the box? It's a starter box. Awesome. Let's get that out of there. There for the minute. And what have we got? This is the actual firewall itself. So again, just a quick look. I've not seen one of these yet. There we go. One Sophos XG 135 firewall. Well packaged. And a quick look on the back. So we've got the standard LAN, WAN, DMZ, SFP, able to take 2 power supplies for HA in case of a failure, HDMI, USB, got micro USB and RJ45 serial ports, another USB, and expansion slot. Okay, that new, void if seal damage. Slot that back in there. Let's have a quick look and see what's in the box. Nice shiny hands that Sophos give us. So we have got, okay, I would guess that is where the antennas go if this is the wireless one. Quick start guide. Yeah, normal stuff. Go overview, showing you there's the 2 different variants, the smaller one and the 125, 135 and the W's. How to start the device, plugging it in, and the same again in a different language. We have got should be power supply, PSU, power supply there. Again, only a single one on this, but if you want to order another one, you can. Safety instructions. USB, micro USB for serial. Little Cat 5 lead to get you started. Some feet. Sticker. Details. Right. That could go back in there. Piece of paper here. What's in the piece of paper? Hardware test report. Fine. Tested by LTN. Passed. Excellent. There you go. Neat, efficient. That is what comes in the box when you order a Sophos XG 135. This is an Sophos SG. Get the right way up. 230. This will be the subject of probably the next video as I turn it into an XG based appliance for further testing and poking and prodding. Currently loaded actually as an SG. As you can see, the bigger units get an LCD screen and a few more ports on the front. But there we go. That's a very quick unboxing of a Sophos XG and a quick look at an SG230. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.